I have like I can't remember, Apex, Knife Pro Apex. Is it Knife Pro? Sharpening system. Edge Pro. So like the nice guided stone sharpening system.
Okay.
So I have one of those that I'm proficient in. I just need to work at it some more and provide that as a service that puts like razor edge on knives, and then we do all sorts of crafts and all that stuff and the knowledge base and
Yeah, the knowledge base and being able to work is huge. I mean, that's kind of like how it all starts, and then everything else is kind of extra.
definitely any value add that you have when you show up. And
Yeah,
I'm willing to charge anybody for whatever they need done. Like, you need something done, I'll tell you what it'll cost for me to do it. It might not be something I want to do, so I'll just price it at some ridiculous price that I'd be willing to do it at. Like, I don't
sure.
want to I don't want to clean out people's gutters, but if somebody's willing to pay me $200 to clean out their gutters, I like $200 more
That's
than I
true.
don't like cleaning gutters.
Right, right, right.
But if they're gonna say, "Oh, well, I'll give you $30 to go clean my gutters," I'll be like, I'll like go, panhandle or something before I clean gutters for $30.
Sure.